These are the elevators at the Waldemere Medical Plaza in Sarasota, Florida. We're starting here on the second floor, and we got this one right here. I made another video on that one, which has a rear door, but the other three are all the same. We're gonna go to 8. Not sure what kind of elevators these are. It's taking a while to shut. I think because I hit down first, and I should have hit up. Here we are at 8. Two chimes, inside and out. Here's your cab view. Not sure what brand these elevators are, but it's an interesting sounding motor. Here's your inspection certificate. Innovation Decorator fixtures. 3,500 pound capacity. There's another one right here. We're going to go up to 8. We're ended down to where we started. White LED for that one. Obviously it's been replaced. Same thing, 3,500 pound capacity. There's your inspection certificate for this one. And here's your cab view. And that'll be it.